Yeah, my phone, my old iPhone right now would be dark, low resolution, as now it's dusk. And again, this seems to be doing well. Yeah, even the sky is clear. Amazing what a good camera can do. See, even the transition between the vegetation, which is much darker, and the sky, which is much lighter. Okay. I saw the cat. Oh, there's water in it?
Yes, there.
Oh. Really? Let me see. Oh yeah, you're right. There is water in there. He didn't have any interest in the... He was too interested in the balloon. Oh, wow.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Go get it. Don't throw it in the street, though. Oh, yeah, because they don't have power, yeah. That's so... It's such a big family, right? It's just... So Ray's wiring up electricity because their power is currently off, which happens occasionally. So he's connecting to Dr. Titoy's house so that we can have a light for dinner for our Pansy birthday. Well, it is a birthday actually, right? Like literally a birthday. For our Pansy birthday dinner and cake. Go. Turn.
I want to take a photo.
So that's enough pancit for how many people? Babe, how many people is this good for?
Wow, many.
Yeah? We need calamansi. Well, I didn't know chickens could go that high. How did he get up there?
We fly.
All the way up to that high?
Yeah.
Ah. I thought they could only go like 6 feet or so. Hey chicken. Gonna do poo poo on baby's head, huh? Hello. Hi. Cooking and rice or what is that? Like adobo? Ah, okay. Yeah, that's off-grid cooking for sure. Okay, let's see if we can find any calamansi for the...
Did you see any calamansi here?
Well, yeah, there's many.
Where?
Well, here's some.
At the back though there.
At the back.
The back.
At the back.
Malaki. This one.
Okay, yeah, that's a good one there, yeah. See any more, Mira, that are ready? Oh, praying mantis. Hey, buddy, how you doing? Good place to hang out, huh?
Wow.
Yeah, he's a big one. Is it? How many?
I have two here.
I think they were lazy. They were lazy to look for more, so they only got 2. There you go, Mira. Can you find more? Here, take this. Here you go. Hold on. There you go. And try to find some bigger ones, yeah?
Yung malaki, hawak maliliit.
So they eat pancit with rice?
Nandun na.
So they eat pancit with rice?
Yeah.
Also? Everything with rice, yeah? Not chocolate cake with rice.
Mom will.
Mom will. She mixes everything, huh?
It smells so good.
Yeah, nice and fresh. Big old chocolate cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Whose birthday?
Whose birthday?
Whose birthday?
Vincent. Every birthday is Vincent's birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. No.
Jaja, Aaron, and Scott. And Off-Grid Island family. Nice, cute.
Thank you, Scotty.
So these are what Lazy Jaja came up with. This is what the kids and Ray came up with. This is what you want right here. This is a big juicy one. I'm gonna go ahead and take that one.
You get that one.
Yeah, and that one. This one's just for me.
Sila ate dyan, oh.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Vincent. Birthday Vincent.
Ah, dito yung?
Oh.
Tonight is birthday Vincent.
Every night.
Tuhi ko siya ay. Adong.
Oh, you eat na. Good. Very good.
Kuya Titoy, hindi po kayo nakagat ng aso?
Hindi. Sasunog na.
Next time naman.
What was the question?
She said, she asked Tito if he didn't get bit by the dog.
Ah.
And then we said next time.
Rio, ano sabi mo ha? Sprite Royal.
Here you go, sir.
Mm-hmm. You got that right.
Okay.
Ah.
Yung mama o yung papa? O yung baby?
So small. What do you think? What do you think, Vincent? Huh? You like the baby? You like the baby? Yes?
Diri ka. Oh, yung candle. Walang lighter? Lighter eh.
Don't put you...
Ayaw, tago-tago. Blow candle. Ano? It's blow?
Like? Yeah. Day 1.
Welcome to Christian world. Are we gonna sing or what?
Go,
I
start.
don't think so. We're not gonna sing. It's only day 1.
Well, it is a birthday though, literally. You can't have a more
Happy birthday then.
happy birthday.
Happy birthday
Yeah.
to you. Upload the cake na.
Padaon mo, padaon. Pwede ikaw na doon kayo maglisog si. Pagkasa. Kos na.
There you go.
Yay!
Yay!
Who is the second blow?
Congratulations.
Vincent.
Second blow, Vincent.
blow.
Second blow.
Go, baby.
Second blow.
Second blow.
Ah,
Huh?
you wanna blow?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Second blow.
Vincent,
Vincent is a second
Oh.
love.
Always birthday.
always Vincent's birthday.
Who is birthday?
A happy birthday to you.
Yeah, blow.
Look, look.
Wow.
Cute little baby boy girl.
The dad looks happy, no?
Yeah, he's very happy.
Okay.
Mira.
Ay, day. Sapat yun.
Mami, birthday baby. Kasama na si Papa.
Birthday baby. Which one yours baby?
Pero Papa, hindi ka pumunta kay Papa.
Sing, birthday.
You want the middle, right?
Yeah, start.
Saka yung malaki dun.
I think you can go bigger than that, no? Okay.
O, kanina to.
Whatever.
Oh,
Sakit. Sakit yung malaki ate.
Well,
No,
babe,
maliit lang.
for the mama, you need to put
No.
the pink flower on.
Forget it. Forget it.
For the mama, you need to put the pink flower on her piece of cake.
Sa ano yung bagong panganak yung ano. Is yours? Or you want the middle?
Mm.
Ah, kuya.
That's a big one.
Ninang!
Wow.
Bilang kutsara, pag nasa kutsara ito, pre.
Why did you give him like a quarter of the cake, babe?
Because I deserve it.
He deserves it, T-Toy? Really?
Ito is a good friend.
Okay.
Kanya pala, ito mo. Ito kutsara lang ito.
Wow.
Okay, Mira. Mira.
Ako rin ang kita sa
What's yours? Ah, Mira.
Wow.
Mira.
Mami.
Oh, not that big, babe. Jeez.
What?
Like half of that. Yeah, like that. That's good.
Go lick it.
Jeez. Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
Oh, ikaw na. Hey. Okay na kami.
Ikaw na magbigay sa...
What's that?
I got the one that says Aaron.
Sa'yo na, te.
Yeah.
Okay, sa inyo na, te. Kumuha na kami.
Babe.
Sa amin, oh.
I got the one that says Jaja and Aaron.
Aww.
Oh.
Ang ganda ng tricks mo.
He's such a wild. Huh?
Imagine
Day,
his
ikaw
face.
na magkuha, day.
Bakit li?
Yung...
Ano ba gusto niya? Ay,
Ito ba yung
gusto niya. Okay.
sinabi ni Sir?
Ah, sige, sige.
Auntie.
No.
Please.
And this.
Mami. Mami.
No, no.
Please.
Don't touch baby.
Pancit and chocolate cake.
Mami.
Perfect combination.
Yeah. I thought that was a joke, but it's not.
Hindi na, bigyan mo. Bigay ko na ba ito te ngayon?
Mami. Mami, please.
What did you say, baby? Vincent, what did you say?
Sandali lang, JB.
Okay, no more of the candies. No more of the candies.
No more candies.
If you want to eat some cake, you can have cake, but no more candies.
No candies.
It's enough of the candies.
The lemon is made her.
Ito sa papa. What that for, baby? Mami.
Marami kasi sila. Yan. Ito na ba yan? Mira, ito yung ano.
What?
Yung pansit on the soda.
Ah, yum yum.
Yan eh.
Namasuta ka bangsi.
Ah,
Gama put pansit there.
Not me.
Allah.
It's you, not me. You.
Inside?
But you drink that, not me.
Okay na
You
te.
put the pancit, not me.
Hmm?
Since the glass?
Ako pa ang sinisya.
Since?
I can't hear you.
Yeah.
1,000? Yeah. Why? Why?
Alive.
For the mom?
For the baby.
Ay, dong, hapon dong.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
For the baby.
Let's go.
How am I?
Wow. I don't know. This is your culture, babe. Hmm?
Pang damit ni baby, pang vitamin. Oh.
Oh, it's okay. It's not a big deal.
Ha? Okay na. Salamat.
For baby's clothes or something, yeah. Hmm? Yeah, it's okay. Don't worry.
I want another baby.
Yeah.
You want brother, sister?
Vincent, do you want a brother or sister?
Brother, sister.
Hmm?
What do you want?
Sister.
Sister.
Oh.
Okay. Sister.
Wow.
Sister.
Let's go. They got us.
Yeah, that's good. They have mosquitoes.
Mm-hmm.
You want sister? Let's go. Let's make sister.
Mira.
Yuki!
Yung umalis kayo, sige rin ng...
Well, ano naman yan na to?
Wow!
Kanya, nakakasama ka naman yun. Pinaiba ko pa nga yun para sumayo lang. Ayaw pa yun ng bumintri.
Malamig kasi no.
Oo, sarap ang tulong.
Okay.
Everybody's full.
Yeah, I think everybody's full, and
Ready to sleep.
yeah. And now I've got to do story time. It sounds like
Story time, yeah.
You do lato-lato.
lato lato.
Si Vincent, ginagalan ako.
Boom, boom.
Ah.
Ow!
Children.
Uh-huh. Coming soon. Coming soon.
Eh,
Day, dalhin mo yung cake.
Mami!
Kami doon na.
Mami, yung my phone!
No, that's not your phone.
Your cake, daddy.
They can have it, right?
They already have.
Yung cake.
How about for, I don't know, what's the one that cooks? The lady who
Ate Lisa, nandiyan pa ba si Ate Lisa?
Wala lang dun.
Jonah
Tingnan mo yan.
or whatever?
Wala dito.
No?
Tignan ko.
Sa Trinidad.
Huwag na yan gamitin mo para sa
Ay, titignan ko.
flashlight.
talaga ang galing. Para-paraan, no? Para-paraan.
Why is she taking a flashlight?
Para nasundok ni bata.
Lisa and Brother.
Kita bitaw sa una.
Bye-bye.
Thank you po. Bye-bye. Mira yung iPad si Tito. Uy, say bye-bye to Titoy. First time. Say bye, Kuya Ray. Bye-bye, Kuya Ray.
No, you have to say it so he can hear you.
Vincent.
Come.
Bye, Kuya Ray.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Congratulations.
I'm tired.
It's raining now.
So it's pitch black, just testing the camera right now.
Huh?
No, I'm just testing the camera at night. I'm sure not much will be visible at all, but anyway. Just want to see what I can do with editing, if I can get anything clear out of this.